Isn't Chris Brown singing that song?
No. Oh no, I think he probably does, but this is a remix.
No, I mean the original song, isn't it Chris Brown?
No, I think he did.
Yeah, I've heard him.
Oh.
Off to our favorite spot.
Yep, the all-time. It's the GOAT of our spots, of our hangouts, man.
Yeah.
It's a GOAT.
Not everyone is a morning person.
Oh. I'll go one for you.
Yes, King.
Yeah, that Yes King motherfucker, man. Yeah, he's a dicker. That motherfucker.
A lot of people in this neighborhood have other shits on a Tesla as well.
Actually, you know what? Now that I think about it, they do. They really do. They actually do. They really
Those are
do.
people with like more money, huh?
Well, obvious.
The more like the upper you go, the more luxurious the houses look, huh?
Damn. Right.
Did you fart?
I thought you farted.
Is that what Juan does?
What?
What?
I thought you were gonna fart.
No,
Did you
no,
say-
isn't that what Juan does?
Yeah, he does that whole. I can fucking do impressions of him. Ow.
That was a fart.
Motherfucker. You mother freaking some bitch ass nigga.
That's what he does.
Yeah, he goes. He's like. Oh man.
Chavalitas says hi, guys.
That kiss part, man.
Chavalita.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
How do you do that? I can't do that.
I don't know how you
Maybe because my cheeks aren't as like hurt.
Yeah, no, it's kind of a blessing and a curse to have these fucking. I used to not always be like this thick.
Yeah, but you don't look that like cachetón. Like there's.
Yeah. Still not really big on this.
There's one girl named Monse that works at Fruitfuller's. She does earlier shifts, so we call her cachetona because, like, she's not fat, but she has like chubby cheeks.
Interesting.
They call her cachetona.
Interesting, bruh.
Read that again. You're
Not what I'm looking for. Shit put down. told you 3 days ago, like 4 days ago now I did. Now,
Would you watch porn or what?
No, I did. I did not like it, so that's why I went to go fuck. Because I didn't want to like continue on and have that be it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just.
It's alright, me and Nulfo, we heard Jonathan jerking off.
Yeah, he's like, oh god, hey, I'm such a horny fuck.
He doesn't even hide his moans and his like loud breathing.
He's fucking stupid. Like, I don't understand how that guy even breathes. So fuck his shit. Fuck that bitch.
It's alright that he's trying to hit on a new like employee.
Yeah, you told me about that.
Yeah.
So fucking weird. But then again, everything about that guy is just. Again, I don't understand how he breathes. Star Wars AI videos that we used to watch back when they made a new one. I want to check it out right now. Fuck your bullshit, you nigglets. You dirty Alabama niggers. Oh, fuck. I actually said that. Don't tell nobody I said that. Not even Juan. Juan can never know that.
Do you think huts have belly buttons, or are they just smooth all the way down?
I said nigger.
Well, there goes a peaceful morning without questions I'll regret hearing.
It's okay. I've got this one, Master. I've seen a lot of HUD anatomy, and I'm telling you, they're definitely smooth.
You've seen HUD anatomy? When? How? Actually, don't answer that. But what if it's like hidden under a layer of slime? Like a secret belly button?
Ugh. Can we not use the phrase secret belly button?